Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to craft the seashell and sea star ornament in Heartopia Colorfuls event. So guys, this is one of the furnitures from the Colorfuls event in Heartopia. If you want to get the recipe, you need to go to the Colorfuls event and you're going to reach level, hold on. You're going to reach level 27. And then you will be able to unlock this recipe, the seashell and sea star ornament. And to level up your event level, guys, just complete the daily and weekly challenge until you reach a level 27. Once you get the recipe, go to your workbench and then you're going to scroll down and you'll find the recipe right here. Okay, this is so cute. And to make this item or this furniture, you need timber, rare timber, and also pearl oyster material pack. Okay, and I'm going to craft it. Okay, almost done. Ooh, that's so cute. And I'm going to open it in my backpack. Oh. Alright, this one for the placement type, you can place it on the ground, flooring, table, pool surface, and it also dyeable. Okay guys, and that's how you can craft the seashell and sea star ornament in Heartopia Colorfuls event. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!